Stock number 1183. It's coming off of a 2000 Chevy. Let's look at the compartments. We're looking for, there's a little bit of corrosion down there. It's got plenty of drawers. And I don't think it's gone through. Pretty nice setup here. Yeah, you got all the stuff on top too. There's that. Gaskets are good so far. Let's look inside here. The inside here is in great shape. Nothing down there. Put this back up. It's got a lock, a hold down right there. That locks there. Latches in there securely. I guess you can put the whole tailgate down. Don't know how to do that. Oh, a couple of latches. A latch there and a latch there to put the whole tailgate all the way down. Latch is missing, but we can get you a new latch. Gasket's good. Hinges are good. Oops. Here's how you lock the system. You push this way and it puts, you can see the lock there. Go to the last compartment. These are real long drawers. They go way back there. These are real long as well. Way back there. See what I mean? These are way long drawers too. So the front corners are a little bit of corrosion there. Not too bad. This thing's in pretty good shape.